Yeah, I think 99% people have been following this, these things in our day-to-day life. If I discuss about cities, people, so, they are quite engaged person, you can say, into their personal work. So, but they would never ever forget to follow, these kinds of, things in their life. After wake up early in the morning, they just go on the roof, terrace, you can say, and they do this every single day. This is a secret of, behind keeping her body in a safe and sound and fit, you can say.
Yes, yes, you're absolutely right. And I have one question like related to English language. Nowadays, I'm able to see on this group or with whom I had talked earlier days. So nowadays, almost co-learner or intermediate level people, they are losing their hope and they maybe they are gonna give up. So what are the main reason? Why I think as far as I know about English language, I'm also having a lot of problem due to my communication skill. I have a communication based skill, but I want to enhance my knowledge. I want to go on top level, like advanced level. So here is a lot of like not a lot of, maybe you can say more than 10 or 15 teachers they have achieved their level. So just I want to go. So what is your opinion about it?
Yeah, my opinion is it's very simple. I would say, like, to be consistent, try to explore as better as far as you can explore, and always try to learn from others. Right, learning others it is a mainly way of extending the level of your into this language, and believe in yourself, which you always mention with me. Right, believe in yourself.
Yes, yes, believe yourself.
So believing is everything. To be continue yourself and try to learn from others. Try to learn from books. As you mentioned, you have a multiple books, right? So you can't take as a book of this. You take as a you have a multiple minds of very experienced person. And if you start reading, so you're going to aware about the plenty of experience of multiple personalities who had been taken, given their entire life to discover that kinds of experiences, and they just put into a very thin book, and you're going to learn within a month or within a week the entire struggles, right? So this way you can improve yourself, you can extend your levels, you can be a good experienced person and explore this language. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, great, great. So tell me something about vocabulary, like a meaning. So how do you remember like all those vocabulary, whatever you have learned?
um I have only the way of remembering vocabulary repetitions. Repeating the things into the multiple time, it will help you to recalling vocabulary, and there is no another way. I would say there is no alternative because having multiple thoughts at every situation, it will never uh, stay your particular thoughts in your mind for long period of time. So how you remember this again and again is totally up to you, right? So
Right,
repeat
right, right.
in your conversation.
Right, right. Just okay. So please, just I was asking you again and again. Please, if you have any questions, so please feel free ask me. Otherwise, we can go any another little topic.
Right now I don't have any topic, and one o'clock I have given time to another person, so I have to go. I think we have done. I think 18 minutes. It's not easy. It's not enough, right? It's okay, right?
Right, right, right. And I think if I talk about truth, so almost people they don't want to talk any topic, and I'm not blaming you, and just I know each and everything. You are a good teacher, so don't get me wrong. Don't think like this. No, I'm telling you truth. I'm telling you truth.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. I know you are also good person, and you always admiring me. I know that. Thank you for admiring me. and always complimenting me. Thank you. I always
You
try
didn't
to.
it because you have a good knowledge in English language, and you speak well, and whatever you have spoken so far, and I'm good career, so I'm also trying to do get a good job, government job, but I can get a private job, but I'm not interested to do private job. You know, I don't know why I'm not feeling because you know each and everything. I'm a law person, so I can go in a kachari or high court to do practice as a lawyer. But I don't. I don't like to become a private lawyer. I want to become a government lawyer. So that's why nowadays I'm trying to get a government job. Actually, I'm trying to learn in English language. I'm trying to enhance my knowledge in English language here on Skype group. Maybe, but before some days, you can say I heard about this episode about to terminate. Maybe you can say so that's why I was not feeling good before some days. But I got a chance talking to you right now, so I'm having conversation.
Thank you so much. Actually, really, this is very bad news for every creator and every learners, I would say. Because this is a very common platform where people easily reach us and making conversation. But after losing this application, each of them would be devastated totally, wandering here
Hmm.
and there, finding people, but couldn't find good personalities like these applications, right? Let's see what happens.
You're absolutely. Maybe first starting my May. So just I heard about this app before some days. Then I was worried about it. Oh my God, what will I do after removing this? You can say after terminating this app. Then, but I am able to express my thoughts. So maybe I can learn and I can go advanced level. Let's see what will happen this time trying to. So please tell me something about your Holi and how did you celebrate?
Yeah, my celebration was so much tremendous, I would say, because Holi is the festival where people are playing colors, to each other
Hmm.
and enjoying a lot. So you can say it was really amazing for me and for every individual's life. It's obvious things having Holi's festival. We are going to make several kinds of foods and buying new clothes, right? So many things we have done. So of course I enjoy a lot.
Great, great. So,
And what about
you know,
you?
yes, yes, you're true. Yeah, myself, I enjoyed a lot with my family, with my friend. I played with them like Rangoli, and just they were throwing a lot of like in the pit, little pit, and just they were smashing their face like and just they were tearing their clothes. So it was an, a remarkable day for me as well, my friend. We enjoyed a lot. And if I talk about evening time, so we played cricket, and then maybe you can say after playing cricket, we went outside near the market, and there we enjoyed a lot, and we ate a lot of things. And but it was good for me and as well our country people. We enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, you're right. So yeah, let's say something about your daily activities. Now just what's your communication skills? So what do you do every single day? I would like to know.
If I talk about me, so nowadays I'm not doing anything instead of speaking on this group, talking to people. And so, but sometime I read books, and earlier I mentioned many time. I have told you many times that I have more than 16 books related to moral story. So sometime I read, and sometime I listen song in Hindi language, not English language, because I don't like to listen English song. I like to Hindi song, so that's why I listen a lot. Whenever I go outside near the Ganga or Hanuman Mandir at temple, so there, I listen. I plug my earphone in my ear. Then I started listening song, and I enjoy a lot. If I talk about today, maybe I will go outside because a student almost student they have come in Prayagraj city. I'm also in and I came here before 2 days ago. So there were no student, but now a student they have started to come here, and maybe I will go outside near the Ganga evening time.
Oh, of course, yeah. You if you go to the nearest Ganga, you will feel so much peace and content internally. And this is a very precious things for every person's life, right?
You are
So,
absolutely right. I got it, understood. So, if I talk about truly, I'm telling you truth, almost if I talk about it doesn't matter like fat person or lean or thin person. Matter that you are healthy or not. But topic, you can say topic is that people they are having a lot of problem. Like they are a disease, they have a lot of problem. They are not able to work, and they are feeling very laziness nowadays. Summer season here, so people always try to procrastinate their work, and they don't want to do their work. Even though me also, if I talk about today, just I got up later, and then after that I took bath. Then just I'm procrastinating. Just I didn't prepare anything so far. Just I was thinking, I was scrolling short video. So what is your opinion? And main thing is that we are consuming a lot of spicy things like outside food, and we eat a lot of spicy things. So that's why maybe you can say there is a main reason is that. We are not having good health due to spicy thing or laziness. What is your opinion about it?
yeah, of course. As far as my knowledge is, I mean, spicy foods are also it's a kind of disaster for your health, and we have
Hmm.
to stay away from it because if you take simple and healthy food, I would like to say like vegetables. If you consume the vegetables, so it would be maintain your health, okay, in a good way, and it will keep away from all the disease and kinds of problems that is usually we are having in our day-to-day life. Okay, it will harm your personal organs of your body, right? Internal organs, I would say. So it is very imperative to just get away and stay calm and composed. This is also this kinds of food has a vital role to keep you calm and composed. If you consume the simple foods, related vegetables and like usually we are having, right? So yeah, this is my opinion. This is very important, and every individual should have it.
Yes, sure. I got it. And yes, I agree with that 100% what you said about spicy things. Yeah. So, what is your opinion about yoga or meditation and why we should do?
Yoga and meditation, it's a very important things. It will help you to keep calm your mind, and you will have relaxations after doing yoga and meditations. So many people have multiple thoughts. Every time they would be distracting from their personal thoughts, their own thoughts. So how the questions comes into this platform like how to overcome our anxiety and control our thoughts, right? So if you following yoga meditation in your day-to-day life, so it will help you to control your thoughts, your emotions, and you will be calm and composed. Your mind will be work very nicely, and you will be happy. That's all.
So, what about you? You do yoga meditation or not?
Of course, yeah, of course I do because after wake uping early in the morning, I do yoga meditation, and this is a very important part of human life. You can say to be stay and calm, right? So
Hmm.
mental peace is everything, especially in this time. So we have to
You're
do.
absolutely right. You're absolutely right. And you know what happened when I came here in Kerala city? So initially, then I started doing exercise, at my home. So that time, I was doing push up as well, lifting things, like this, and building biceps as well, six packs. So that time, I got the six. After a few months, then I realized that, oh my God, what I have done. Just because of this thing, just, I was lean and thin person. Even though I'm lean, still I'm lean and thin person, but I don't like to fat person. But just what happened that day, I was doing a push-up. So that time, I was not feeling good. Just I got a sick, typhoid problem, typhoid,
Mm-hmm.
and
I know.
then I started losing my hope, and each and everything I was not feeling like good. Then I went at my home, then they were scolding me. What have you done? You were very fat, and now you can see yourself. You are not looking like that person. What were you that you were that time? Like before a few year, if I talk about 4 year ago, I was very fat person. My cheek was looking like a chubby, and my whole body was looking like very fat. I was a strong person, even though still I'm a strong person. But that time I was looking like like chubby god, each and everything like neat and clean. But as far as I know about exercise or doing make yoga or meditation, yeah, you are absolutely. You said earlier that if you do yoga or meditation, so you can keep each and everything, your mind neat and clean, and your physical body. Even though your physical body, you can make your body proper way and just feel relaxation
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, you're right.
after doing it. After doing yoga and meditation.
Hmm.